Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo Twin Flames, guys. Twin Flame reading. Sa mga hindi pa subscribe sa channel, pahitan lang na subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Kung magko-comment kayo, guys, kahit heart-heart lang, malaking bagay kasi yun sa akin. Nagpapakita yun ng malaking suporta, tsaka nagaganahan akong mag-reading kapag po may mga nagko-comment. Ayan. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa akin po. So, let's start the reading. This is for Virgo Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Ito ay Twin Flame reading. By the way, nagbibigay po ako ng astrological reading doon sa aking TikTok shop. If you would avail, nakasale pa siya ngayon, $299. Yung Evil Eye Bracelet, may kasama siyang astrological reading. And kung gusto mong i-confirm na itong taong bato ay twin flame mo, or may spiritual connection sa inyo, whatsoever, makikita natin yan dun sa iyong astrology. Okay? So, ibigay mo lang doon yung iyong name, birthday, birthplace, at saka time ng kapanganakan. Ganun din yung sa person mo. Dapat alam mo yung kanyang details. Ayan. So, let's start. This is for the sign of Virgo Twin Flame reading. You do have your 10 of Wands. The Judgment. 3 of Swords. Kunin ko na rin yun sa sign ng person mo, energy ng person mo, main energy niya. Kung may babanggitin akong zodiac sign, guys, ano lang yun, energies lang yun. Twin Flame reading for Virgo. You do have here the 10 of Cups, 7 of Wands. May isa pa pala dito. 4 of Pentacles, and yan. At the bottom of the deck, you do have your 6 of Cups. Yeah, this is a person in the past. Past energy, past twin flame connection. Pwedeng may mga past life kayo together. Wait lang, guys. Inom lang ako. Okay. The 10 of Wands and 10 of Cups. Honestly, ito, it feels like a twin flame connection na pareho kayong may mga pamilya na. Or if not, the main boundaries na nagiging problem dito, kaya hindi ito ma-connect, is pwedeng because of family. Okay. Kung hindi man ikaw ay pamilyado, siya ay pamilyado, pwedeng yung family mismo ninyo. Okay? Ang nagiging problem. Kasi the 10 of Cups and the 10 of Wands, this is showing us both of you are like, may mga story na sa inyo na complete na kayo. Na number 10 is a complete number. Now, with the 10 of Wands, I feel like sa ngayon, you are trying to improve yourself, your health, your life. And with the 3 of Swords, may mga bagay kang kina-cut off or willing i-cut off in order for you na magkaroon ng sarili mong improvement. Maybe with the 3 of Swords, may mga bagay na pwedeng gusto mo, pero, or kailangan mo, you feel like kailangan mo, or gusto mo, pero alam mong bawal, or hindi makakabuti, makaganda sa'yo. So, willing mo i-cut off yon, willing mo tanggalin yon. Whether these are people in your life na pwedeng nagpapahirap, nagpapabigat na sa'yo, alam mo naman na yon. And nakikita natin, yung with the 10 of Wands, ang dami mong ibinigay sa kanila. I'm feeling like these are people na parang ang dami mong ibinigay, ang dami mong itinulong, ang dami mong somehow, hindi ka naging masamang tao, no? But this is the time now na you are thinking about yourself. Sarili ko naman. Kung ikaw ay aalisin ko sa buhay ko or hahayaan kong umalis sa buhay ko, it is because sa sarili ko na ako nakafocus. This is you. Okay? Binigay mo lahat. Yung iba sa inyo, you could be doing something in your life, in your home right now. Maybe improving your home. May mga nag-organize, may mga lilipat-lipat ng mga gamit and so on and so forth. If not, now is the right time ngayon mong gawin yan. And yun nga, I can see a lot of improvement sa'yo with regards sa iyong self-improvements. Now, with regards to your person, I'm seeing a person na mahilig sa collection or pwedeng may mga collection siya. So, this could be your person na may mga kino-collection but honestly, hindi naman din nagagamit. 10 of Cups is here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel like this is a person wherein parang okay naman siya kung nasaan siya ngayon. Like, feeling niya komportable siya, masaya siya, etc. 7 of Wands, I can see this person is, meron siya mga taong pinahahalagahan ngayon. And, with the Four of Pentacles, it feels like yung mga tao sa buhay niya ngayon, nakikita niya ito is, itong mga taong to like his or her collection. No? Halimbawa, pag ikaw nangolekta ka ng isang bagay, importante sa'yo yun. Of course, ayaw mo itapon. Of course, hindi mo para itapon. Importante yun. You want to show it to other people. You want to, you see the value of that thing. No? Pwedeng ginastusan mo, etc. Because importante sa'yo yun. And that is how this person views itong kanyang mga tao sa paligid niya ngayon. If you are, on the other hand, you are willing to throw away stuff and things like that, na parang hindi mo na nakikitaan ng value, minsan mo nakitaan ng value, but then enough is enough, parang ganon, you are the one na parang, I need to throw this thing away kasi hindi na to importante sa akin. Pwedeng sa kanya, ganito na lang tinatry kong i-explain sa'yo sa mas maiintindihan mo. Maybe sa'yo, nagamit mo na or nagamit ka na nitong mga taong ito. You know what I mean? And then nakita mo na parang hindi mo na kailangan. So, you're willing to throw these people away. Pero itong person na to, pwedeng kabibili lang ng isang gamit, and that's his or her maybe friends or family sa buhay niya. Na parang bago pa lang ito So, why would I throw this? Mahalaga pa ito? Nandun pa yung importance nitong mga bagay or taong ito. So anyway, ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Please tell me, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. For the sign of Virgo, Twin Flame reading. Sana naintindihan mo. Kasi as much as possible, ina-explain ko para mag-gets mo, pero sana mailagay mo sa sitwasyon mo. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, of course, wag mong kunin yung reading. Inaaring hindi para sa'yo to. Of course, twin flame readings or twin flame connections are rare. 3 of Cups is here. Queen of Cups. The World. Okay. How about yung person na to? Anong emotion niya para sa'yo? Eight of Wands, Queen of Wands, the Moon, and the Eight of Swords, the Lovers, and the Sun. Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, with the Three of Cups, I feel like, maybe you see this person as a, nakita ko dito ng baby. So, you maybe see this person as a baby. So, paano ba ang, anong bang emotion sa baby? You see this person, maybe you look at this person na parang gusto mo siyang mahawakan, gusto mo siyang makasama, gusto mo ng time sa kanya. Maybe you want reconciliation. You want the Three of Cups could be friends as well. So, komportable ka dito sa taong to. Kung ano man makita niya sa'yo, kung ano man sabihin mo sa kanya, parang komportable kang gawin yun sa kanya. Because, katulad ng isang baby dito, kapag may kasama kang baby, that's the feeling. Diba? You want to talk to this person, kahit anong sabihin mo sa kanya. Of course, you would, hindi naman dahil sa hindi kanya maiintindihan, pero You know, gusto mo lang yung presensya nitong taong to. The Queen of Cups, you do love this person. You do love this person. And maganda sa'yo, nakakita ko ng maturity pagdating sa emotions mo. You know how to handle your emotions, you know. You're very mature. Alam mo na kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay sa buhay mo ngayon with regards to your emotions. Alam mo na yung mga taong dapat mo pagkatiwalaan sa mga hindi mo dapat pagkatiwalaan. You feel complete. The world is here. And, you know, if you are dealing with the twin flame, maybe sa sarili mo, you feel like, okay naman ako eh. I feel complete, okay naman ako yung sarili ko, I'm okay. Pero, mas maganda lang kung nandyan siya. You know what I mean? Parang kahit hindi dumating itong taong to, okay lang. Although this is twin flame connection, maybe tapos ka na dun sa stage na naghahangat ka pa or na-obsess ka pa sa taong to. Wala man siya or nandyan, you feel complete on your own. Okay? You're not running, you're not chasing nothing. Kasi the Queen of Cups, you have a lot of things to offer. Marami kang kayang i-offer. So, not only to this person, but of course, sa mga tao sa mundo, you know, maybe you are someone na you can handle yourself, you know. And you are proud to show yourself to the world kasi alam mo kung ano yung meron ka, ano yung success na meron ka. Now, itong person na to with the 8 of Wands and the Queen of Wands, trying to find an explanation. Ayan. Maybe gusto niya mag-travel or something. Pero parang naghahanap siya ng rason bakit kailangan niyang gawin yun, etc. Emotions niya sa'yo, I feel like hindi ka niya maintindihan. Para sa kanya, you sound crazy. Parang hindi ka niya maintindihan or hindi niya maintindihan pa tong connection. Pwedeng ganun. The moon is here, but there's a lot of dreams about you. No? Pagdating sa twin flame connection. This person is dreaming of you. Pero hindi niya maintindihan eh. Hindi niya maintindihan. Bakit? Parang ganun. And maybe, yung mga ginagawa mo, or mga pinapakita mo or maybe through social media kung may mga pinopost ka dyan, hindi niya maintindihan yan. The 8 of Swords is here. So I feel like itong person na to is natatakot din siyang gumawa ng movement ngayon with regards sa connection na ito because baka magalit and the 8 of Swords, you know, can you see a woman here na parang nasa pagkain siya, ano. So, any movement, any sounds na gagawin niya, pwedeng may magalit and, you know, ayaw niya ng ganun. So, pwedeng may silence or katahimikan mula dito sa person na to with the moon. Natatawa kasi ako sa energy ng person mo. It's like, look at this with the Queen of Wands, like, what? Parang gano'n. Bakit mo ginagawa yan? Ganyan. Bakit mo... Hindi niya rin alam. Hindi niya maintindihan. The Lovers and the Sun is here. And the Strength card. Puro major arcana yung nasa bottom of the deck. Yeah. I feel like for some of you, wala lang, kung saan ka magiging komportable doon ka, or kung saan ka magiging masaya para sa sarili mo, doon ka. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Nine of Cups, okay. Ten of Pentacles, wow. Temperance and the Fool is here. Gusto ko to i-clarify. What's with the Nine of Cups and the Pentacles? Two of Pentacles. Sorry, this is not the 10. It's the Two of Pentacles pala. What's with the Nine of Cups and the Two of Pentacles? Knight of Pentacles. What's with the Fool and the Temperance? The Sun and the Two of Swords. And one last card for you guys. Six of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. The Hermit and the Star. Yan, puro major arcana. In the future, I can see a surprise, no? With regards sa mga bagay na pina-priority mo, there's a surprise there. Whether it's career, money, etc. Knight of Pentacles, some of you, may mga, I can see work or career na mag-work out para sa'yo. May mga taong mangangailangan for your service. Sa serbisyo mo, mangangailangan para sa serbisyo mo. And you are happy here, you are professional. With regards sa home, I can see a lot of improvements in the future. Pagdating sa person na to, I can see someone taking the risk. Your person is taking the risk. I feel like matagal na niyang gustong gawain, pero ngayon ko nakikita in the future na gagawain niya. Kasi ito yung bagay na makakapagpasaya sa kanya. There's a decision here na gagawain niya because yun yung makakapagpasaya sa kanya. The Star is here. So, this person and you, on the other hand, meron kayong mga accomplishments in the future. And with the Six of Wands, marami ang magugulat sa mga gagawain ninyong pareho. Ikaw sa side mo at sa side niya. Sabi ko last card na, but I want to get one more. Strength is here. So, yung connection ninyo, I feel like this separation na nangyayari sa inyo ng person mo is for you, both of you, na magkaroon ng acknowledgement and understanding sa mga bagay na kailangan nyo pang i-improve sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. Okay? And, but, you know, whether, like, katulad nga na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, whether nandiyan yung person na to or what, or wala, nandun ka lang sa nananatili kang positibo. And in the future, I can see a lot of happiness, maybe growth financially, marami ang mga ngailangan sa'yo, marami ang tutulong sa'yo, marami ka ring matutulungan. And, yeah. So, yan. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.